5332. What are the characteristics of stable air? A. Good visibility, steady precipitation, stratus clouds. B. Poor visibility, steady precipitation, stratus clouds. C. Poor visibility, intermittent precipitation, cumulus clouds. The correct answer is B. Stratiform clouds and fog, persistent precipitation, smooth air, and fair to poor visibility in haze and smoke are all signs of stable air. 5342. What is a characteristic of stable air? A. Stratiform clouds. B. Fair weather cumulus clouds. C. Temperature decreases rapidly with altitude. The correct answer is A. Stable air is air that resists vertical movement. This means that if air is lifted, it will tend to sink back down again. Stratiform clouds are low-level clouds that form in a stable atmosphere. They are typically uniform in appearance and have a flat base. Fair weather cumulus clouds are puffy, low-level clouds that form in an unstable atmosphere. They are often associated with fair weather. Temperature decreases rapidly with altitude in unstable air. This is because the air is less dense at higher altitudes, so it can't hold as much heat. 5343. A moist, unstable air mass is characterized by A. Poor visibility and smooth air. B. Cumuliform clouds and showery precipitation. C. Stratiform clouds and continuous precipitation. The correct answer is B. A moist, unstable air mass is a type of air mass that is characterized by high moisture content and low stability. This means that the air is easily lifted and can produce thunderstorms, showers, and other forms of precipitation. Cumulus clouds are puffy, white clouds that form in an unstable atmosphere. They are often associated with fair weather, but they can also produce thunderstorms. Showery precipitation is precipitation that falls in short bursts. It is often associated with cumuliform clouds. Stratiform clouds are low-level clouds that form in a stable atmosphere. They are typically uniform in appearance and have a flat base. They are not associated with thunderstorms or showery precipitation. 5343-1. What are the characteristics of an unstable atmosphere? A. A cool, dry air mass. B. A warm, humid air mass. C. Descending air in the northern hemisphere. The correct answer is B. An unstable atmosphere is an atmosphere in which air parcels that are lifted will tend to continue rising. This is because the surrounding air is less dense and has a lower pressure. As a result, clouds that form in an unstable atmosphere can develop vertically into large, puffy clouds. Warm, humid air is less dense than cool, dry air. This is because water vapor is lighter than air. When warm, humid air is lifted, it cools and condenses, forming clouds. The clouds will continue to grow as the air rises, and if the air is moist enough, they can eventually develop into thunderstorms. Descending air in the northern hemisphere is associated with a stable atmosphere. This is because descending air is compressed and warmed, which makes it more dense and less likely to rise. As a result, clouds that form in a descending air mass will be limited in their vertical development. 5344. When an air mass is stable, which of these conditions are most likely to exist? A. Numerous towering cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds. B. Moderate to severe turbulence at the lower levels. C. Smoke, dust, haze, etc., concentrated at the lower levels with resulting poor visibility. The correct answer is C. Stable air is air that resists vertical movement. This means that if air is lifted, it will tend to sink back down again. As a result, clouds that form in a stable atmosphere will be limited in their vertical development. This type of air mass is often associated with fog, haze, and smoke, which can reduce visibility. Numerous towering cumulus and cumulonimbus clouds are more likely to form in an unstable atmosphere. Moderate to severe turbulence is also more likely to occur in an unstable atmosphere.